taarifa za KTN leo na taarifa kuhusu mzozo uliopo katika chama cha Jubilee, ambapo viongozi wa kisiasa wa sasa na wa zamani wametoa wito kwa Wakenya, hususan wanasiasa, kuheshimu taasisi ya urais. Wakijumuisha Martha Karua, Peter Kenneth miongoni mwa wengine, wamewataka viongozi kujiepusha na siasa za urithi wa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta atakapoondoka madarakani mwaka 2022. Matamshi yao yanakuja baada ya aliyekuwa naibu mwenyekiti wa Jubilee David Murathe kujiuzulu. Vivyo hivyo, wafuasi wa naibu wa rais Dr. William Ruto wamekuwa wakionya mrengo wa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, ambao baadhi wamesisitiza kwamba hawataruhusiwa kugombea urais katika uchaguzi mkuu wa mwaka 2022.
We demand respect to the president and the presidency. We demand respect for president as head of government, head of state, and symbol of national unity. Individuals with divergent views must criticize or correct the president with decorum and respect.
Verbs directed at the president and his response. I am not a member of his party, but he is my president and I support him. And I have seen people making it look like the Washenzi remark was aimed at voters. Clearly, it is not true. It was aimed at the people irritating him.
And insulting him.
Those were the target, not the voters.
First and foremost, before they criticize anybody else, they explain what they have done with their CDF. Very soon, they are going to regret. You heard the other day, some of them even were apologizing, because the statement that they gave when they were drunk. And that is why we are fighting alcohol seriously in Mount Kenya region.
This country is not about Kalenjins and Kikuyus. Just because they have produced presidents, the last 50 years, doesn't mean that they have an entitlement. And it is important to us to educate our people that the more we are more common than other people, the more we make it possible for people to know that a Turkana can be president, a Mumero can be president, as a Borana can be president. I think this is where we are going, and that's why we want to encourage the president to continue this fight. Those people who are moving around every weekend, launching projects, are they launching projects or are they launching promises? There are people who think that there is a vacuum in Mount Kenya region. We want to say here very categorically that our leader, as at now, is Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. And there is no other leader. And when the right time comes, people here have presidential ambitions. Our region will decide and will negotiate with whoever who is going to give us the best deal.